The RT series are universal inspection machines capable of inspecting multiple parts within a single unit. Any part with a single flat surface can be processed by running it through the conveyor belt. The machine offers multiple feeding options: manual, vibratory bowl, or through a vision-guided robotics feeder. As parts enter, they're directed through camera stations. Initially, there are 3 stations. Each station may have up to 3 cameras, but the system can be expanded to support up to 6 cameras. Each station's cameras are adjustable, allowing for setup changes to accommodate different parts when necessary. These cameras capture images from various angles. The acceptable parts are sent for packaging, while the defective ones are directed towards scrapping. On the screen, you'll observe the image analysis display. Through image processing, we assess whether the part is classified as good or bad based on the captured image. Within the scrapping process, we observe 2 distinct scrap categories. Customer requirements allow us to direct defects or parts along specific paths. We assess whether a part is salvageable, allowing us to collect or rework it at Scrap 1. If it's unsalvageable, it's immediately directed to Scrap 2. The acceptable parts proceed along the conveyor to a designated area, where a counter keeps track of their quantity. When the box reaches its capacity, the machine stops and alerts the operator to replace the box.
Experience the power of RT Series Automated Inspection Machine.